This is Chapter 3, Assignment 3.3. I ask you to do it, but without a grade, because this will help you tremendously with your project. Okay, the first thing we notice that this is not single-spaced, and it should be. So you put this little bracket and SS for single-space. The next thing we see is, thank you for your manuscript entitled Motivation in the Workplace. It has the period before the end of the quote, and that should be reversed. If this is not a sentence in the quote, then the period has to go on the outside. The manuscript committee there's two S's, so you need to delete the second one, carefully reviewed the manuscript and believes it would be well received. The I and the E are backwards, so you use a transpose correction mark. In its review, however, the committee believes that the section on employee motivation should be expanded to include, you take out the ing and put an E above it, include more information on intrinsic motivation. This says one, not on, so you have to delete the E. Please let us know within the next 2 weeks what your reaction is to this suggestion. This is not a question, it is a period. So you delete the question mark and add a period. We hope, you have to put the caret and the E to make hop hump. We hope to work, take out the ED by delete. We hope to work it out satisfactory. Call me if you have any questions. Sincerely, Della Brides. So, that is your answers.